Welcome back, guys. We're going to talk about me as a baby and me as a grown up. Okay, so this is me right here with an afro. Ciao, I had some hair. Ciao, I had some hair. Okay, this is me now. And this is me again with the Vaseline on my face. Hey, and some African threading. In our country, we used to say my buns. Oh, ciao, please, not buns to eat now. Buns in the hair. So this is me with my hair. Now this is now me now. When I was in secondary school? In secondary school. You see my hair? My mom used to tell me that you need to do your hair alone. Don't let other people do it. You have to learn to do your hair alone. So this is my hair. It was not even past my shoulders, guys. You see me now. And then this is me on my wedding day, still ironing my hair. Can you imagine? Still flat ironing. Child police. And I would really love the silkiness of my hair when I would flat iron. And this is me again with my hair. Back again to flat ironing. I would flat iron, especially when there are special occasions. I'd like to iron my hair like never before. Child, please. If my hair had good mouth to talk, it would say, please, I've had enough. But I would always say, no, you've not had enough. I'm still enjoying my hair. I would use to flat iron non-stop. You see me now, I'm going to an event like this with my hair flat ironed. Ciao, please. And this is me again with my hair flat iron. Ciao, I used to use that iron. I don't even want to see it anymore. You see me, this one, it's another event. I flat iron again. Ciao, that flat iron, I don't like to see it anymore. Now, guys, you see, me flat ironing again. My hair was struggling. If my hair had got more to talk, it would say, please, I've had enough. So this is my hair journey, guys. This is my hair journey. You see my edges, they were still there a little bit. But just look at this next picture. They were starting to borrow. There, you see that? They're starting to borrow because of postpartum shedding. It was not my fault. It was postpartum. You see this one? This photo, I have my first son in this photo. I still flat ironed. Hi, child, please. My hair would have been to my back, but child, look at my hair. This is my engagement picture. I was flat ironing again. How would my hair even grow when I was always frying it like an egg in a pan? Child, please. Now, this is an event again. I flat ironed again. Child, please. I was just ironing my hair non-stop. Me again with my flat ironed hair. Hi, child, please. Now, you see, my hair was thin. It was, you can even see my scalp. You see, the twists were very, very thin. Hi, child, please. I would always flat iron. And this is me again, flat iron the hair. And my hair in the middle broke like crazy. It was breaking and the breakage was happening. Ciao, I don't even want to see that flat iron. I don't want to see it next to me. You see this hair? It's not a good hair now when it's like this. When you can see the scalp and the veins in your scalp. Ciao, please. Now this is me. I've taken out my protective style and my hair was damaged. It was damaged though. You see, me with my hair. Hi, ciao, please. I was struggling. I really wanted my hair to go back again to where it was, but ciao, what could I do when I was just flat ironing? You see, my hair was just struggling. It was struggling. And I said, you know what? Let me do protective style. Maybe it will change. I started doing braids. You see, even holding those edges. I was holding those edges like this. Wouldn't they even fall out now? Sharply. I started getting serious, doing some treatments in my hair. You see me, I was even pregnant there, but I was doing my hair non-stop, just trying to revive it back to life. Me again with my hair. Doing a protective style, a very tight style that will rip out my edges. Can you imagine, guys? Someone who's trying to grow out hair and ripping out her own edges. You see how tight this is? Look at this. How tight these cornrows are. Because just trying to do a protective style and you don't even know how to do it. I was just damaging my own hair. And this is my picture when I had my daughter, my third child, and I had a protective style in. I was just trying to revive my hair back to life, guys. And this time I was not flat ironing my hair anymore. I was just doing protective styles. As you can see right here, that was last year. I was trying to do like mini twist. I had mini twist in my hair. Yeah, and my hair was starting to, to get back to life again. You see this photo? I was really serious now with my hair. You see how it was now? It was getting hairy and hairy. I was trying to be serious with my hair. Child, please, this is a struggle. Child, I said no more flat irons on my hair. You see, my hair was thin. It was thin back then. It was actually thin, guys. You will see the after photos. My hair was just struggling, and I was just trying to get it back to life. And this, I was actually doing rice water on these pictures, on these videos. Hey, this video, shall please. I was I was trying to do rice water, and I was trying to use rice. You see, this middle hair was very small. It actually grew out because I stopped using the flat iron. And I said, you know what, let me try to do Ayurvedic treatment. And this is my first Ayurvedic treatment I did. It was a deep conditioning treatment. I'll leave the video below. And this is also me using the Ayurvedic treatment. My hair was starting to grow now. This is my Ayurvedic oil that I made. Ciao. And I was loving everything. It made my hair stronger. It made my hair to be very thick, as you can see. This is me using the Ayurvedic oil. Ayurveda, guys, will change your hair like super crazy. Just try it and you will see. Now, this is me again doing the Ayurvedic treatment. As you can see, my hair is very thick and the texture actually changed as well when I was doing the Ayurvedic treatment. Now, in this photo, I was trying to do aloe vera. You see those particles, particles in my hair, they were just powdery colors, as you can see, but my hair was trying to grow back to life now. It was trying, guys. What could I do? I was using aloe vera there and there as well. I was doing aloe vera. As you can see, my hair was trying to come back to life, to life. So this is me trying to look after my hair, and I was not flat ironing my hair. So this is my hair journey, guys. Hey, I've come through a lot. And this picture next up, I was trying to use rice water now. Rice water. Me, when I try to do something, I do it excessively. I was using rice every single day. Ciao, please. And my hair was saying, I can't do this. You see my hair? It was struggling. It was very ugly. Child, my hair was ugly day. I was using rice water every single day. And it was just ugly. To even look at it, it was not lovely at all. And I said, you know what? I will do a protective style. This one, I did it for 3 months straight up. Actually, it was two months, 3 weeks. So this is me after taking out a protective style. So I said, you know what? Let me do a protective style, and my hair started growing out again. So actually this style, it was the style I did for 2 months, 2 weeks, and I took it out and my hair grew out a lot, guys. As you can see, your start of, I'm not trying to say, you can see your start of my hair was just trying to come back to life. Okay, and this is when I did my blow drying for the first time in years, guys, in years of flat ironing. And this is me with my 2-month mini braids, and I took it out, and this is what my hair was looking like. It was looking so healthy and thick compared to my photos which I was flat ironing. Please, that thing, it's not good at all for your hair. And this is me using onion juice. My hair was thickening up like crazy. As you can see with the twist as well, they were filling up. I really like how my hair was right now. It was doing very, very well, thick and healthy. My hair was lovely. I really loved it, guys. Look at this. Because I was not flat ironing. Please, that flat iron, run away from it. Run away with your life. Now, this is the style that I have now, and I'm wearing wigs after wigs because I'm just trying to revive my hair back to life. And this is me with my wigs on, guys, because I'm just trying to grow out my hair. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you have loved this, comment below and let me know if you have loved the video. If you like me to do more videos of pictures, let me know, ciao, because we want to see the hair journey, ciao. And yeah, so yeah, this is my hair journey. And this is my hair now. This is my current length right now. I'm trying to do protective styles as well, guys. So my hair has really grown from when I started. You see those wigs there? I was wearing wigs because I just want my hair to grow out. So guys, thank you so much. I'm just saying thank you so much for watching, and I'm just coming back again. Ciao, please. All right, guys. And this photo here, I was doing treatments every other week to just trying to restore my hair back. Child, please. And as I have told you, this is the style that I have right now. I'm planning to stay with it for a long time. Ako, wearing wigs as well on top just to protect my hair from the outside areas when I'm going out to start. So this is me, guys, with my wigs. Yeah, just trying to revive my hair back. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next one, God willing. Bye now.